Hey everyone, this is Justatech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will show you a way that can help you to repair your iOS system related issue in any iPhone, iPad or iPod touch. Whether you have a boot loop issue, stuck on Apple logo screen, stuck on recovery mode issue, so you can fix all that very easily without data loss. Sometimes we face any issue while updating your device to the latest iOS 15 or any other version, and you can try the iTunes or your 3U tools, but that gives you some error, so you can't repair that. And also there are some damage to your data, so you can lose your data while updating or restoring your device. But in this video I will show you a way that can help you to repair your device very easily without data loss. And also there are so many other features, so I will show you in this video. And also there is a surprise giveaway for all of you guys, so watch the video till the end to know more about the giveaway. So let me just go to my computer screen and show you the complete step-by-step process. Alright, for iOS system repair issues we will use the tool from starzsoft.com, and the name of the tool is FixCon. This tool can repair more than 150 plus iOS system related issue, whether you have a stuck on Apple logo screen, stuck on the boot loop issues, or stuck on recovery mode, or you can see the black screen, white screen, or your device is not turning on, you have a battery drain issue, or if you have any issue with your Apple TV, you can fix that all very easily with this tool. So just check out the description link for the complete information and the other download links. So after that, simply install it on your system. Once you open it, you will see three features, that is, one is the standard repair mode, other is the advanced repair mode, and the third one is the exit and the enter in the recovery mode. In the standard repair mode you can repair the iOS system related issues without data loss. In the advanced repair mode you can apply the advanced deep scan mode to repair your device, but in that your data will be lost. And the third mode, that is the enter in the exit recovery mode, that is completely free. You can use this feature to enter into your device recovery mode or exit it from without any button combination or press any button, so it's very easy. If your device is stuck on the recovery mode, you can use this feature. Alright, now I have a device that is stuck on the Apple updating bar and Apple logo while updating to the iOS 15. I will use the standard repair mode to repair the device, as this mode will save all my important data. So you can download the firmware or you can import the firmware if you already have it. After that it will start repairing your device, so don't disconnect it until it gets complete. Now once it will done, you will see your device is automatically boot up, and you can see my device is completely repaired and all my data is saved. All my photos, videos, pictures and all the application is as it is there before it get into that problem. Now my device is completely repaired with the FixCon tool from the starzsoft.com. So if you guys are interested in this tool, you can check out all the buying option of this tool. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I am giving the 5 free license key of this tool. All you need to do is you need to confirm your entries displaying on the screen, and that's all, you are eligible in the giveaway. Until then, goodbye, take care and peace out.